Question number 18 of IIT JAM 2025 MS paper. Question is as we have a circle C with a radius 1 and center as this and any other point B as 1 0 and theta following uniform 0 comma pi and D is defined as this and such that angle between DAB is theta, where theta is uniform 0 comma pi, and we have to find the expected area of the triangle AB and D. So try to visualize, बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं. That is, it is saying कि एक सर्कल है with a unit radius. Let's suppose this radius is 1 and this center is 0 comma 0 and B is 1 comma 0, that means at the circumference, and for theta to be 0 to pi, this D is taking value, x taking value cos theta and y taking value sin theta, means it is covering from, like if we take as 0 pi by 2 pi, so this cover the whole area, and whatever the values are taken by this cos theta sin theta for a range of theta 0 to pi, we are not interested. So we have to find the firstly ये area, then expected value of the area of the triangle. अब इसका area हम कैसे निकालेंगे? Okay, no, not the area. That angle is between the triangle is basically A, B and D. Let's suppose any point on this circumference as D for a moment. Let's suppose this is D and this is A, we know, and this is B. So the angle is basically kind of this. So the triangle is this and this angle is some kind of theta. So we have to find the area basically of this and then the expected value. अब इसका एरिया कैसे निकालें? हमारे पास बेस तो है, अगर मुझे हाइट मिल जाए तो आप फॉर एनी ट्राइंगल आप ये एरिया निकाल सकते हो. आप डायरेक्ट परपेंडिकुलर लाइन खींचो, आप जब इस पर खींचोगे यू विल गेट एज दिस विच ऑलवेज टेक द वाई कोऑर्डिनेट वैल्यू, दैट इज साइन थीटा. तो एरिया क्या हो जाएगा? हाफ इंटू बेस, बेस इज बेसिकली दिस and this is 1 and height is basically this one, that is sin theta. That is area will be positive, so I am taking it mod, that will be sin theta by 2, whatever the value it should be positive. Now the expected value of the area, since area is function of the parameter theta, so now take sin theta by 2 and function of this and d theta, which is from 0 to pi. This will be sin theta by 2 into 1 by pi d theta. This is as 1 by pi क्योंकि यूनिफॉर्म फॉलो कर रहा है 0 to pi. दिस विल बी साइन थीटा का इंटीग्रेशन माइनस कॉस थीटा फ्रॉम 0 to pi by 2 pi. This will become cos pi and cos 0. This will be 0 by, that is 1 minus 1, that is 2. 2 by 2 pi, that is 1 by pi is the answer. So the option number A.